Students, in this video we will discuss the structure of benzene, that is a modern concept for the structure of benzene, which is molecule orbital treatment of benzene. We know very well in benzene each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, right? To understand the structure, we write the electronic configuration of carbon in the ground state, carbon atomic number 6. So its ground state electronic configuration is ground state configuration of carbon, electronic configuration of carbon 1s 2s 2px 2py 2pz 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the ground state configuration of carbon. Now carbon excited state configuration of carbon, excited state configuration. In the excited state configuration of carbon, here this is the valence shell of carbon, second shell. L is the valence shell of carbon, right? In this shell, here you can notice 2 electrons are present in S, while in 2pz it is empty, no electron is there, right? So after absorbing energy, the electron pair which is present in 2s orbital, one electron jump from 2s orbital to empty 2pz orbital, right? So after that excitation of this electron, the electronic configuration of carbon in excited state will be 1s2 2s1 2px1 2py1 and 2pz1. Single electrons are present in each orbital, right? Now the mode of hybridization of carbon in benzene is sp2. ठीक है, sp2 hybridization कब होगी? It is a hybridization which is due to the mixing of 1s with 2p orbitals, 1s with 2p orbitals, right? So configuration of carbon in hybridized state, hybridized state configuration of carbon. We can write the configuration of carbon like 1s2 remain 2 electron in 1s, while 3 orbitals from valence shell they will intermix to each other. 3 ऑर्बिटल आपस में इंटरमिक्स हो जाएंगे. कौन कौन से 3 ऑर्बिटल्स? 2s इंटरमिक्स विद 2px एंड 2py. ठीक है. सो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन विल प्रेजेंट इन ईच ऑर्बिटल एंड द नेम इज sp2. इस तरह से वी गेट 3sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड ऑर्बिटल. 2pz do not participate in hybridization, right? So we write 2pz orbital separately. Now these 3 sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon, they lies at the corner of a regular hexagon forming 6 carbon-carbon sigma bond in benzene, right? So we will first of all we will write the structure of sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon. Here we have carbon atom. These 3 orbitals will arrange themselves in such a way so that the bond angle between them is 120 degree. ठीक है, इनके दरमियान बॉन्ड एंगल कितना होगा? 120 डिग्री. 2pz orbital do not participate in hybridization, so it will remain at the right angle of 3sp2 hybridized orbital. 2pz do not participate in hybridization, right? So this is 2pz orbital. 2pz orbital do not participate in hybridization, right? This is sp2. We have 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. The bond angle in between them is, इन तीनों के दरमियान bond angle जो है, here we have 120 degree, here we got 120 डिग्री, यानी बॉन्ड एंगल इज 120 डिग्री. ये स्पेस में अपने आप को इस तरह से अरेंज करेंगे, वी गेट द ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर शेप. and 2p-z orbital, we do not participate in hybridization, is perpendicular to 3sp2 hybridized orbitals, right? Now see how benzene molecule is, these orbitals are arranged in a benzene molecule. We draw the structure of formation of carbon-carbon as well as carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds in benzene molecule. 6 sp2 hybridized orbital of carbon atoms, they lies at the corner of a regular hexagon like this. We make carbon atoms here. Now how sigma bond is formed? Sigma bond is formed by the overlap of sp2 hybridized orbital of one carbon with sp2 hybridized orbital of neighboring carbon. Similarly, here we get another sigma bond by the overlap of sp2 hybridized orbital of this carbon with sp2 hybridized orbital of neighboring carbon, and one sigma bond is formed by the sp2 hybridized orbital of this carbon with s orbital of hydrogen. Similarly, for this carbon, here we have sp2 orbital of one carbon overlap with sp2 orbital of neighboring carbon, right? And sp2 orbital of this carbon overlap with s orbital of hydrogen. Similarly, this carbon sp2 hybridized orbital overlap with s orbital of hydrogen. We will make all the sigma bond like this. sp2 and s overlap, right? Here we make sp2 and s overlap. Similarly, sp2 and sp2 overlap, sp2 and sp2 overlap, and for this carbon sp2 and s overlap, right? We show the overlapping like here we have sp2 overlap. Similarly here sp2 s overlap between carbon and hydrogen. sp2 s overlap between carbon and hydrogen, and sp2 s overlap between carbon and hydrogen, right? These are hydrogen atoms, right? This is sp2 s overlap, carbon and hydrogen, one sigma bond. Similarly, this is also sp2 s overlap, hydrogen, sp2 s overlap, carbon, and this is hydrogen atom, sp2 and s overlap, another hydrogen, and here we have sp2 s overlap, carbon and hydrogen. Between carbon and carbon we have sp2 overlap, sp2 overlap, like here we have sp2 overlap, likewise here. Similarly here we have sp2 overlap, sp2 and sp2 overlap here, and sp2 overlap here. So here the type of overlap is sp2 orbital of one carbon overlap with sp2 orbital of neighboring carbon. Similarly here sp2 overlap, sp2 overlap, sp2 orbital of one carbon overlap with sp2 orbital of other carbon, sp2 orbital of one carbon, both the carbon overlap to each other. Likewise here we have sp2 overlap. So in this way we get sigma bond framework by the overlap of sp2 orbital of one carbon with sp2 orbital of neighboring carbon, right, and sp2 orbital of carbon with s orbital of hydrogen. Now students, we will see how pi bonds are formed. We make the framework of 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds. This is the framework of 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds, right? Like this. सिंस 2pz ऑर्बिटल डू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, हर कार्बन के पास एक 2pz ऑर्बिटल है, पार्शली फिल्ड 2pz ऑर्बिटल है, ठीक है, और उसने हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया. सो वी मेक 2pz ऑर्बिटल फॉर ईच कार्बन, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. हर कार्बन के पास एक 2pz पार्शली फिल्ड ऑर्बिटल मौजूद है. नाउ वी विल सी हाउ पाई बॉन्ड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. How pi bonds are formed by the lateral overlap of 2pz orbitals. So we have different ways by which these pi orbitals overlap to each other. They can overlap like this way. Pi orbitals इस तरह से overlap कर सकते हैं, like this one, as well as like this way. They can overlap like this way. Similarly, there is another way by which these pi orbitals can overlap. We can make their overlap like, again we make a 6 sigma framework, and we make 6 p orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now we show their overlapping. The second way by which these p orbitals overlap to each other, they can overlap like this way, right? ये इस तरह से भी overlap कर सकते हैं. They can overlap like this way. Or another way, again we make the sigma framework, one 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now see students, how these p orbitals, they will overlap to each other. All will like this way. They can overlap like this. It can overlap like this, in this way. Here we have next overlap, then we have this type of overlap between these two, and here we have this overlap. So in this way they will overlap to each other. So we have a sigma framework like this, sigma framework of 6 carbon atoms, right? And there is a continuous sheet of pi electron cloud below and above the nuclear axis. We have a continuous sheet of pi electron cloud. Here delocalized pi electron cloud below and above the nuclear axis. So we have delocalized pi electrons which spread over all the carbon-carbon sigma framework. According to molecule orbital picture, the carbon-carbon bond in benzene consists of one full sigma bond and one half pi bond. Carbon-carbon bond in benzene, they consist of one full sigma bond and one half pi bond. One full sigma bond, right, and one half pi bond. Because of this reason, the benzene carbon-carbon bond length is equal, and benzene shows substitution reaction as well as addition reaction. यही वजह है कि बेंजीन रिंग के अंदर कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड लेंथ बराबर है. कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड लेंथ इज इक्वल इन बेंजीन रिंग ड्यू टू दिस रीजन. ठीक है, right? And due to this reason, benzene can shows both types of reactions. It can gives addition reactions, addition, as well as it can also give substitution reactions. Substitution reactions. I hope you got the concept, students.